Namaste, Salam Alaikum, and hello to one and all present here. Let's dive into the world of nature to nurture. A 4-day retreat in the flora and fauna of Chikmagaluru, which is a beautiful place in Karnataka, India.
Nature to Nurture retreat workshop. This workshop has been organized by Live in Loop in association with Neki Corporate Service LLP. And who's the person behind this workshop?
She is a guiding light to this entire workshop. She is a magnetic personality who has had an experience of over 10 years in the industry of training. She's conducted around 400 plus trainings, 100 plus workshops across 18 countries of the globe. This personality is a certified international trainer and an NLP practitioner. This magnetic and transformational person is going to guide us through this entire workshop. She is our miracle coach, Mrs. Neha Chaudhary, who is also
Fondly known as Neha Guruji.
I'm damn excited for this entire workshop, I think. We have with us Neha Guruji herself. Neha ma'am, welcome, and we're delighted to have you. Very excited to have this conversation with you.
Thank you so much. I'm equally excited to be with you guys.
You're so excited, and looking at her, I'm so nervous because I don't know what's happening. She's glowing like, like a kid.
It's like a tapasya ka glow. Of course. True that.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So Neha ma'am, how is nature to nurture? Can you tell us a little bit of how this idea came to you?
Okay, so should I begin from the beginning?
Yes.
Should I do that? All right. So this was during COVID times. We saw that there's a lot of things happening around. There are people who are getting into depression, going for suicides. And, every individual used to feel lonely at that point of time. So there was a lot of people who used to come for counseling. I'm a counselor basically. So I used to counsel a lot of people. There were divorces happening. There were many things happening around. And during that process, we understood that there is some kind of healing that is required for our people. And there is where this nature to nurture workshop came into our mind, and we developed the whole concept. And trust me, the whole concept developed is scientifically proven. And this nature to nurture workshop has something very different. So here in this workshop, we align these 5 senses of human body with 5 elements of nature. That's how it works.
So when you talk about nature to nurture, so if you ask me, I've heard so many times this nature to nurture and these healthy living and, being healthy and taking care of yourself. It sounds too done. So what is the newness that you're going to offer?
Have you attended any of such workshops earlier, Mukesh? Should I ask you this question?
I didn't feel like, because as I said, it sounds like too done.
How about you, Krisha?
Instagram. It's all over Instagram. I'm scrolling reels and people
So
are giving me
unless you experience it yourself. See, looking at something and experiencing it yourself, it's way different. And trust me, every individual workshop gives you something different. Our workshop is developed by our brainchild. Every individual puts in their brainchild and they make the whole workshop. For somebody it works, for somebody it might not. We cannot, guarantee on that part. But yes, the process that has been designed is designed in that way that it heals a human mind, body, emotionally, physically and mentally. It balances everything. So when we talk about scientifically proven factors, everything is there in that. So there is venting out sessions, there's healing that is happening through 5 senses, because those 5 senses of human body are the things which actually moves around in your life. It takes everything in your life.
So Neha, when you talk about ideating, conceptualization and all, have you actually practically gone through all this?
Of course, yes.
So, why have you planned this kind of an event?
Everybody have ups and downs in their life. There was a phase in my life also where I've gone through certain things, and there is where I started this. First thing that we always do is introspection, self-introspection. When I did that, I realized there's some healing which is required. And then the counseling started. I've seen so many people suffering from so many things. And when you listen to them, there are so many, you are also a trainer, Mukesh, you know how it works, right? So when we listen to others, we try to put in some things to solve the problems. And through that process, you come with so many solutions in your mind. And those solutions, you frame it properly, scientifically, and then these
So
kind of
when
workshops
you talk
come out.
about suffering, is your husband
Oh
one of
my
them?
God, he is most wonderful chap on this earth. You know him very well.
So you mean to say he's not suffering? He's
He is not
Okay.
suffering, nor am I. no, that's not it. That's not it. Completely.
No, but
not
I'm
it.
curious. Were you always this spiritual into? I sense a lot of spirituality. Was it always like that, or did some event make you get into it? And when you speak of introspection, how did you introspect? Right? Was it on your own, or did you have help?
No, I did not have any help. Obviously, it was on my own. So you're also a trainer, right, Krisha? So as you go through this process, you know, we do so many degrees for becoming a certified national, international trainer. So when you go through that process, there are so many trainings that you're doing. There's assessments, there's assignments that you have to complete and all that. That process changes you a lot. Mukesh knows me since 2015 and he sees a lot of change in me. It's all because of training and learning, the consistent learning that has been happening in my life, which has brought me here. In the process, there are so many gurus in your life who becomes your role model at different point of times, and you adapt their perception towards certain things. You know, solutions, you pick it from them. And that's how you become a better person every day. The more positive you take from people, the more positive you turn out to be. So that's what I've learned in my life. And today I'm very glad I'm this, whatever I am.
Actually, I want to mention one thing. I am you are first generation, like the higher senior most, the second senior most, and I'm the junior trainer in the same league. So it's wonderful, you know, like when your experience, like it's an advice coming up to me, right? Saying that, Krisha, absorb from your trainers, because Mukesh sir is like my fire. I call him my fire brigade, right?
You call me dude. You don't call me Mukesh, sir.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, I sound too senior then.
No, but yeah, like, okay, Mukesh Bhaiya, that's what I call him, but,
Don't call me Bhaiya on podcast.
but okay. Yeah, like he's my fire brigade. I get it. I know when I'm stuck, I can easily call him. Right?
Exactly that. So during this process, there are so many people you meet, right? And there are so many people who inspire you in different ways. You want to adopt their perception towards certain things in your life, and that's how you grow. So every positive aspect you can take from people, please take it and implement it in your life. Trust me, the growth is innumerable.
So was this an overnight decision? Maybe, you know, just a flash that I want to do something, come up with something like this, nature to nurture. As I said, sounds very interesting. But was this an overnight decision, or it took maybe years together or months together for you to come up with something so you can say strong, so, you know, good?
To be precise, this took 2 years and 3 months to design the whole concept and to implement it. 2 years and 3 months, I'm being very precise, because when I talk about scientific healing, it needs a lot of work behind it, right? There's a lot of research that goes, how it works, how not. Already I have made some people do it. We see the results, then we come up with some solutions. So that's how it has worked. So 2 years and 3 months to be precise.
Fantastic. So you have the exact numbers
Exactly.
in hand. So we can, you know, think about how this actual event is going to be like. Since she has the exact numbers, she also knows that what exactly this
Has
event
been
is
done.
is going to be like. Let
But
us
what
dig deep.
caused you? I'm still very curious. What made you think? Because it for how much I've heard, it seems like very well curated, right?
Exactly.
So there must be something that has caused you to do it. Because I sense
Some
a sense-
personal
Yeah.
stress, some personal
So,
pain.
okay, let me put this straight.
So I keep talking about your husband.
He is a wonderful person.
I know
And-
him better than anyone.
Obviously, and you know how good he is. You are pointing out on me. Do you think I'm torturing him? Not at all.
Yeah, exactly.
Not at all. So, how this happened was, this is not about my personal experience. I'm not talking about me going through something and then coming out of it. Nothing like that. God's grace, my life has been beautiful all this while, and I know it's going to be better in future. But yes, there were people who used to come to me for counseling, and I've seen people struggle with their, the trauma that they are going through. And there are a lot of things, loneliness, there's people who are cheating, and those kind of pain I've seen in their eyes. I can feel that. We can sense it when somebody comes to you for counseling. I've done sessions for them, and there is where the realization happened that, everybody needs healing. Every individual needs healing. Some point of time, if they are healed, they can live a good life. So this happened during 2020 when Sushant Singh Rajput expired. You remember?
Yeah.
That was a sensational case at that point of time. And he was one of the finest heroes we have seen him.
Exactly.
He's
Very
come up a hard way.
positive
He had come up
Very
a hard
positive.
way. And that was one, shocker for everybody who ever heard at that time. And after that, we heard so many cases like this. So it is like एक निकलता है तो पीछे पीछे इतने सारे बाहर आ जाते हैं. So there were so many cases happening around us. COVID was the time when things changed drastically. People really were suffering, and this was coming out. So there is where I decided that we should do something for this kind of people. And there's where we came up with this concept, Nature to Nurture workshop.
So you mean to say people are more open now to come and be very open with their emotions, with the feelings, with the pain they are going through?
No, they are not.
They are not?
It's
They're
easy.
still not?
It's not easy.
But don't
it's
you
very
think
tough to get things out.
COVID kind of changed everything for all of us?
Of course it did.
Like that period of just staying in, people going through trauma. I don't know how. Like in that case, people who were doing well mentally did very well. They earned money, they earned new skills and all of that. And there were people who suffered, just their downfall was...
Yes.
If you
it
ask
was
me about
drastic.
COVID, from a businessman, I became a bawarchi. I was washing, utensils. I was cleaning, sweeping.
Good for Ekta, Mukesh.
Yeah,
Good for
literally.
Ekta.
women in general.
Good for Ekta. Yeah,
Good
yeah.
for women
Bichari, she has been
community.
doing it for so long time.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm glad men, actually understood how much goes into a household.
So I'm against two ladies now.
Yeah, of course.
Exactly.
Advisable not to elaborate
Exactly.
and speak a little.
So let us come back to the event, Nature to Nurture.
Why
What-
the name?
Exactly. Why the name?
So, as I told you, this is aligning of 5 elements of nature with 5 senses of human body. And that is why nature to nurture. So, nature is 5 elements of universe, and then nurturing your own senses of body. So, that's how nature to nurture.
Okay, what are the 5 elements? I don't know.
You don't know the 5 elements?
I mean,
Trisha?
not fully. I mean, I do know some of it, but then I don't.
So, it is air, water, earth, space,
Fire.
fire, earth and space. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of fire in me. So I know fire. You can write it down, copy, just the way you've been doing all through your life. What is in store for the participants?
So, healing basically, it's internal healing. So, as I told you, it's emotional, mental, physical well being that we are counting on. And people who come here will have lot of rejuvenation, happening, the complete transformation. So, this is basically a 4 days workshop, 3 nights and 4 days. Staying there with calmness, there's no hustle bustle of life, there's no business, there's nothing that's torturing them. So they are at peace, they are with themselves, and there is where the healing happens.
So is it only for the ones who are suffering, or is it also for the ones who are looking for growth, for something new, to rejuvenate themselves?
So you gave the answer yourself. It is for everybody.
Those who are suffering, Krisha, please enroll.
Also for those who are suffering, also for people who are looking for growth, also people who want to enlarge their vision in their personal and professional life. It is for everybody, each and everybody. From the age of 25 to 60, anybody can enroll in this workshop.
So give me one interesting aspect about your event, which makes me feel that, okay, I should be doing this event.
So to be precise, there are certain things that we are doing here. So we have plenty of venting out sessions, venting out session in different forms.
Venting out?
Venting out is removal of your trauma
Okay.
in different ways. So we have around 5 venting out sessions in this 4 days, wherein in different forms. Okay, so in water, in ice bath, there are a lot of things that we are doing. We have a fire
So,
walk.
is this aligned with nature? Like
course,
you
yes.
said, 5 elements of nature. So,
Yes.
I'm thinking 5 venting out sessions. So, is that aligned?
Yes, it's aligned.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm curious, how is nature helping us heal? How is that possible?
Nature has all the healing in itself, everything. So okay, so let me put it this way. It is told that your subconscious mind have the strength of the universe in it. So there's 3 kind of minds: conscious, subconscious, and unconscious. Let's not talk about unconscious because it's of no use. Conscious and subconscious mind. So conscious is very logical mind, right? So if you say that I can fly, your conscious mind, your logical mind will ask you, how can you fly? You don't have wings. But your subconscious mind does not take that technicalities. Whatever you feed in, it takes that. So if you feed in your subconscious mind, you can fly, you can actually fly because that has the power of whole universe in it. So how you train your subconscious mind is matters. Nature has always been aligned with human body. Always. From the beginning. Even जो कुछ भी हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग बोलते हैं या the gurus who have taught us, they have always taken things from nature to heal our body. Nature has always been aligned with body.
Will you tell me, as I said again, if I want to come, I would really look for something which is not available everywhere. What we have been saying is available everywhere on Instagrams, on YouTubes, or every other, you can say a trainer or someone who's doing workshop is coming up with such a concept. He will say nature and this and I will heal you, and I've heard so many. And I might have not spoken to someone who's already been there, done that. But then, why your workshop?
Okay, so what business are you in, Mukesh?
I'm into textiles.
Textiles.
So
Are you the only
the
one?
beautiful dress you're wearing.
Yeah.
So you can thank me as well.
Thank you
because
so much.
The fabric is mine.
Correct. So are you the only one in this business on entire earth? There are many, right?
I'm the only one who's leading.
That's what. So why? Why leading? How leading? It is always the quality that matters.
Exactly.
Right? So like this, there will be many workshops. Like as I told you, तेरा business भी बहुत सारे लोग करते होंगे. But why you're better? Because you're working on your quality. The same way we are working on a quality of the workshop basically. The outcome is best. That's what we have seen. When we have done these workshops earlier, we have taken people's feedback and we know why it is best because it has really healed them from top to bottom. It has changed their lives completely.
So when you talk about changing, you tell me how it's going to transform an individual.
It is going to change the thought process of the person. The way a person perceives things, the way he executes, it's going to entirely change the vision. It's going to change everything that they see around them. So what you are today, after this workshop, probably you'll see the world entirely with a different eye. So when we talk about vision, okay, we talk about fire. We associate fire with vision. Now what is vision basically? Vision is not about seeing alone. It is about seeing your future. Vision is setting everything right for your future, right? Learning from past experiences and then deciding what it's going to be or how your future is going to be. So when we talk about personal growth, we talk about professional growth. So there is something that leads that growth is fire inside you. And that's why we associate fire and vision. Got my point? So here...
How is that done? I'm sorry to cut you off.
So there are activities. So there's meditation that's going to happen. And then we have a session that's going to... Actually, we will be helping you build your own chart, growth chart, professionally, personally, where you see yourself after 10 years. How do you reach there? There will be a complete direction chart.
So how do you connect fire to vision?
Correct.
So it's the inner fire that you're connecting to vision?
So wherever you have to reach, it is only with your inner strength, in your inner fire that you reach there. So there the connection is.
So how do you ignite it? Like how
yeah, exactly.
How are you going to do it?
How will we know?
How you need to attend the workshop.
Oh, she's not going to give away everything.
Obviously. How is you attend the workshop, you will understand how.
So Krisha, as we thought, it's not going to be easy for her to take us for free.
Absolutely. But okay, what are the other things? You said fire and vision.
Correct.
So I'm curious about water.
So water is touch therapy. So we engage in touch therapy in water. Now this is something very unique and different. So initially, like we will have people standing in the natural water where there's venting out session happening. We have seen, when we have done these sessions earlier, we have seen people cry out loud. They remove all their trauma there, and then we make them sit on the shore of the water, and we blindfold them, and then there is water pouring, the what you call the touch therapy that we have. I won't be explaining everything on a podcast, obviously, because this is very sensational kind of therapy that we engage them in. Now, you're just married, right, Krisha? So everything is
and
very
she
rosy
loves
right
touch
now.
therapy.
Of course, for that matter, every human being loves touch therapy.
Hers is a different kind.
I don't need therapy. I just...
So she's just married.
loves
She's just married. She's completely out of that scenario right now. But you know, couples after a certain point of time, say 20 years, 15 years after their marriage, they lose that interest in each other. Probably they're too much engaged in their personal life, responsibilities. There's a lot that's going around, family, friends, you know, business, work. There's a lot of things that goes around. So that intimacy in the couple is missing. Through touch therapy, we have this intimacy arousal thing, or, you know, you rejuvenate that complete sensation in the body.
But how does that go away? I mean, if you're genuinely in love with someone, I don't think that fades away.
So you're just married. Wait for some time.
No, my physical
Love is always
intimacy
there.
is still the same.
Look, there's a difference in both the things we are talking about. You can still love somebody but lose physical interest in them. Love is very different. Okay, love is pure. Physical intimacy is outcome of love. You know, it can or cannot be, but love doesn't fade there. Love is always there. I love my husband, he loves me the most. Doesn't mean that we get physical every day.
Fair.
Okay, just let me get back to the vision, or you spoke about something, venting out session. Now, when you are saying venting out and then you are saying physical intimacy, if I am venting out there, I know about whom I am going to vent out. When my wife is standing there with me in this event and I am venting out about her, and then I talk about physical intimacy.
You're not venting out about her. Come on. It is about
It's,
the incidents
the
or
agony.
experiences
Yeah.
that you have gone through in your life that you're venting out. And once you're venting out, you're empty inside. Now your heart is ready to fill more love for the one who's there for you always. There, so the meditation happens, the venting out session happens. There is a session that the trainers are going to fill you with, right? The good things about your partner, what you enjoy with them. You will be reminded of that. You will fill yourself with that,
So
with
you're
those kind of
surrounded
things.
by your known people, by your
Not
family.
at all. Not at all. These here, the participants who are coming are all strangers. Nobody knows each other. There's a process. Okay, let me
So
talk
we are
about the
not coming
process.
as a couple?
Not at all.
Wow.
Of course not. Okay, let me tell you the process how it works. Okay, so the first condition is that not a single person from the participant's family can participate in this. Understood? He has to be a single person from the whole family. It cannot be a spouse, children, mother, father. Nobody can be there. One person. That's it, from a family. Secondly, as this workshop is very intimate and very, very closed kind of workshop where a lot of things happen. So there is a questionnaire that we'll be sending. So once the person registers for this workshop, we'll be sharing a questionnaire with them. So it's like a test for the participant. They have to fill that questionnaire and send it to us in 24 hours.
Is it something like UPSC?
Not UPSC, you cannot say that, but yes, it's like a psychometric test or something.
Okay.
So there is where we can gauge out of that that test answers. We can understand the mentality of the participant.
So you mean to say there is a selection process?
Absolutely.
And not
So
anybody.
not
and everybody.
everybody will be
It's
eligible.
very selected,
Absolutely,
and you people.
absolutely.
Krisha, I'm
should
so
get it
sorry.
So you know what?
So sorry.
Okay, let me come back to this. So the process will go like this, wherein the questionnaire is sent. They fill that questionnaire and send it back. Our experts will be checking them, like, you know, what the answers are. On the basis of that, we will be selecting whether they will be eligible for the workshop or not.
What is
And
the
if they are not
eligibility?
eligible, then we refund their money, whatever has been taken, and otherwise it's kept. Yeah,
What else is required to be a part
Intent.
of this? Pardon?
good intent.
Intent
intent,
and suffering
okay.
like you?
She just said we don't have to suffer. For growth and personal growth, I will definitely.
Now, when you say it is all strangers, so how many participants are we looking at?
So it can be minimum of 30, and we can extend up to 100 also.
100 also? So say we will take 50 ka figure. Now, when there are 50 strangers, do you really think I'm going to vent out? I'm going to, talk about physical intimacy?
There is where you're going to vent out.
Is it?
Yes.
Because
You
we are
know,
not
okay,
able
let
to
me-
talk in front of our known people.
Absolutely.
मैं तेरे
That's-
सामने बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ
अरे
कि
वही तो
मैं
बात है ना यार।
इतना पेन से गुजर रहा हूँ. And you
वही तो
really
बात
think
है
I'll
ना
talk in front of strangers?
वही तो बात है ना हम अपनों के सामने बात नहीं कर सकते दूसरों के सामने कोई जज नहीं करता हमें जो वहां पे
क्यों सुनेगा दूसरा कोई? You
अरे
tell me that. Why
क्योंकि
would
तुम भी
anyone
उनका
listen?
सुन रहे हो ना तुम भी
मैं
उनका
भी
सुन
क्यों
रहे
सुनूंगा?
हो
अच्छा ठीक है मुझे बताओ.
The
Why will
workshop
even I
is
listen to you?
designed that way, Mukesh. The workshop is designed that way that you are there for each other. Strangers helping each other to went out to help each other to grow. So, it is teaching you a lot in that workshop. There's a lot of things that you learn. You learn empathy. You learn to listen to others. There's so many things which you actually don't know how to do it. But you come join this workshop, you will learn this art also.
Across this time period of 4 days, can you break down and tell me what is going to happen on each day?
So day one we have vision and fire therapy, and then initially as you come in, you will be checking in, and then we have a small icebreaker session because all strangers are there. We have this small icebreaker session, and after this icebreaker we have a guideline session. So we have strict rules, the boundaries that we draw there. So because there are all strangers, and we have lot of activities which are actually sensuous activities. So there is boundary that we have. We have a MOU that has to be signed by the participants that they cannot go beyond certain things. So all that will be done. All the ground rules will be explained to them properly, as in what they are supposed to do, how they are supposed to be in that particular place, and what their behavior has to be. So all those things will be guided them. Through mail also we'll be sending them in writing, and otherwise also we'll be guiding them there. And how their behavior has to be for all the 4 days, that's what we'll be guiding them through. And after that, we have the first day we have vision and fire therapy. That's what we have. And post that night, after the dinner, we have a karaoke night, where live counter of food is there, and
That's my favorite.
it's like a gala night.
Okay.
All the 3 nights we have different schedules.
Okay.
Then next day we will be having about smell therapy and sound healing, and then water therapy, and the other one what we have, earth wala. So all these therapies we have 3 days. We have designed these. Now there are a lot of activities also. So when we talk about getting back to childhood days, so we have some games that has been planned. So where they'll go back to childhood days, whatever games that we had in our childhood, those things will be. So nostalgic feeling you get, when you go through that process. So all of these things will be there. We have ice bath therapy. We have fire walk.
Wow.
Yeah, so there's a fire that is there, and you walk on that. Blindfolded activities. You have smell therapy. In smell therapy, every individual body has a different kind of smell. So there is a therapy with regard to that. I cannot explain you everything here. You have to experience it. We have something called as crazy night. So in crazy night, whatever unfulfilled desires you might be having, you are allowed to do there anything and everything. Nobody will be judging you. Nobody will be questioning you.
So I'm still so surprised, or maybe you can say I'm not able to gauge that ke strangers ke samne how when I talk in front of my family, my friends, हमेशा मुझे क्या कहा गया है, मुझ के जाए इधर से, हमको नहीं सुनना है. But you are saying strangers के सामने आओ, went out and do crazy things, and it's absolutely सिर के ऊपर से जा रहा है.
Let me ask you a question. अब एकता तेरे सामने बैठी है. इसकी wife एकता. She's sitting.
Don't scare me.
Oh, come on. She's sitting right in front of you, and you are going through some kind of tension. Office tension होगा, कोई भी tension हो, तेरी girlfriend ने तुझे धोखा दिया, whatever. जो भी tension है, तू उसके सामने रो सकता है.
मैंने धोखा दिया. हाँ,
तू उसके
नहीं.
सामने रो सकता है, because you will not cry in front of your family because you don't want to hurt them. Correct?
Okay.
You cannot be yourself in front of your family because you are a projected person by your family. अच्छा पापा है, मतलब your daughter says पापा है, he's a hero, he's a superhero. So you can't, उसके सामने रोकर तू वो नहीं बन सकता है जो वो नहीं सोच रही है तेरे बारे में.
But isn't this something which we keep on saying as trainers to everyone? Be natural, be what you are. जो तुम हो वही दिखाओ.
Practically,
Yeah.
सब यही बोलते हैं, but
Okay.
होता वही है जो होता है. Got my point?
Men
You will-
especially don't express,
They
which is a
don't-
big problem in our
I know
society.
it is always
and-
told that uनको express करना चाहिए. You should be always you. You
but
should
there's
do
no
that.
room to express.
No, I'm
Actually,
very
they should do
expressive.
it.
I express my love in front of everyone, all my
Love is
girlfriends.
fine. Love is fine. Your pain you generally don't express. Even being a woman, we also don't express our pain. For example, if I want to cry, I would never cry in front of my children. I will go to the bathroom, cry, and come back. Because I don't want to show that I'm weak in front of my children. Probably this is how we are brought up. This is how our mindset is. Human mindset is like this.
But then how can you do it in front of strangers?
Exactly that. I'm coming to that, right? So in front of your own people, you can't do it. But entirely strangers who doesn't even know anything about you, you can actually feel comfortable there and cry. You can actually feel good and take the comfort of their energy, of their, their thinking. That comfort is actually soothing you there.
And why will they even listen to me?
It is that kind of environment that makes you do that. You're learning a thing that, being empathetic to people. You're learning how to listen to others and how to be heard. So there is that aspect.
I personally wouldn't want to observe someone's problems and everything. I always am
Exactly.
like, okay, you know
is this
what?
something which is forceful?
No, absolutely
Something
not.
which is signed that
No,
सुनना ही पड़ेगा,
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ
रोना
नहीं
ही पड़ेगा, करना ही
ऐसा
पड़ेगा.
कुछ नहीं है. It comes out naturally. So this is what happens. In front of strangers, you're comfortable because there's no one who's judging you. And that environment is like this. It's not forced kind of venting out. Somebody who wants to do it will do, somebody who doesn't want will not do it. It's okay. It's not necessary that you have to do it. It is the kind of environment that has been created. You have been reminded of the traumas that you have gone through just to vent out. That environment will make you do things. Yeah, and that is nothing but healing. That is healing. Because you have not cried, it becomes like a poison tree inside you. But the time you cry, you vent out, you're empty of it. Think about it, you have so much space to take positivity inside. Right? Now you're not able to take it because you have so many things inside you and you're not able to vent it out. You're not able to tell it to anybody. You're filled with it. So how do you accept positivity inside you? Once you remove that, there will be space for positivity inside you.
So you mean to say this now it already sounds like an event, a retreat. Let's not call it a workshop.
It makes me feel like
Yeah.
Chikmagalur, beautiful trees.
Yes, and the
like a
way she's
retreat.
saying, so take me more deep into it. Is it going to be instant, venting out, or is it going
It's
to be
not instant.
things, or there is going to be a slow,
It's a
you
process.
gradually take us into a bonding.
Exactly. It's a
and,
process. We need to
there's a
understand
connection which
this.
is built with the
Absolutely.
strangers.
Absolutely. So day one, when the icebreaker happens, you're already connected to them. The icebreaker is that
Okay.
kind that you'll be connected with each individual.
Okay.
Right? You will feel like a family there, wherein all strangers are there, but you feel empathetic for them. The feeling is emotional. It is not about you feeling them as a family, but the emotional bond that you have with them will be created. Now, there's a lot of things that's happening. Those 4 days, you will not be left alone. It'll be some or the other activity that's going on. There's dancing under the stars.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is very exciting. I tell you, dancing under the stars, just being you, anyhow you want to be. It's like, you know what? You are you there.
Anyhow,
So this is one thing which I have always, in my mind, I've always believed that people are looking at me when I'm dancing. People are just commenting कि ये देख ये क्या dance कर रहा है, ये देख इसको देख इसके steps देख. They will stop dancing and they'll start looking at me. So you mean to say here I can be just
Absolutely.
I can be the Mithun Chakravarti which I am not, the Govinda which I am
craziest.
not,
Arey,
the
the
Hrithik
Shah Rukh
Roshan.
Khan that you are.
Wow.
You can be just the way you are. The beautiful part, the beauty of this whole retreat is this, that there is no one who's judging you. Everybody are with you. You start dancing, people will come and dance with you. In your pain, they are with you. In their happiness, in your happiness, they are with you. When you're doing every crazy thing, they are with you. You see the emotional bond that happens there? That's how the connectivity is built.
Okay, if I join your workshop, right? What changes will I see once I'm out? To say the 5th day I come back home, what is the changes that I see in my day-to-day life?
The first and the most beautiful thing that you will see is you will smile the most. You will be happy inside out. That happiness will be seen on your face.
You smile and your husband cries.
Next workshop, you send
my
your
husband
husband.
is a wonderful thing.
Next retreat,
his
you
smile is my radiance.
next
smile
retreat you
and
send your
radiance.
husband. That's how we can do it. But then yes, the best beautiful thing that is going to come is the happiness from inside. The aura that you've got from that work, that place, from the people around you, and the aura that you have spread. There's a lot of exchange of positivity that has happened. So that positivity is making you glow. So when you come out of that retreat, you will feel light inside, first of all, because you've vented out everything. You're ready to accept the new challenges of life, fully rejuvenated, fire inside you, that now, yeah, any challenge, aa jao bhai, hum dekh lenge. So, that kind of passion towards your goals, towards your vision. So all of that you will experience. You will have something, you have the capacity to think ki whatever problems come, whatever challenges come, I can do it. Earlier that fear of pata nahi kya karungi will change to why not me? Kar sakti hu. So that vision, that entire shift in the perception is going to help you grow leaps and bounds in your life, both in personal and professional life. The way you will handle your relationships after this workshop will be more, easy for you.
How does my relationship change?
Everything changes. The way you have looked at your relationships earlier, here the perception is changing. The time you go back, the thought process will change. Might be, so for me it was like this. So I had certain issues with my in-laws or whatever. After the workshop, I've started embracing every individual in my family. I've started loving them even more. Whatever flaws they have had, I've accepted them. And when I accepted them, I understood that they are accepting me the way I am. The initiation has to be taken by somebody. So there I learnt the art of taking initiative in being positive to people, in responding, reciprocating positively to people. My life has changed entirely after I did this workshop.
So you've done this workshop with someone
Of course,
else?
I was a participant. From there, we changed a lot of things because
Okay.
I'm a trainer. After the counseling sessions that I've had with people, I've taken so many things into consideration. Then we developed this process. I've also gone through this workshop earlier. And then we developed even more to make it even better for the people.
So Neha, you tell me, when you're talking about people, your family and all accepting you, or don't you think a sudden change in your image, sudden change in your behavior is like a shocker to them? Because it is not easy for someone to, after a 4 days workshop, you have become one Mahatma. You have become one, person
सुना
with a
मैंने
very
ये भी
clean
सुना
soul.
था ये भी
हाँ,
सुना था
is
जब
it so
वर्कशॉप
easy?
करके आई थी when I had changes in my behavior. ये भी सुना था जब बोलते थे ड्रामा कर रही है, नाटक कर रही है. But when this natak is prolonged for a long time, it is understood that she has adapted it. That is her personality now. So the acceptance also, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time. Everything takes time. तो acceptance हो गया, धीरे धीरे सब हो गया. Now that they know that this is how she is changed from what to what.
Fantastic. And you also see a change in their behavior
Of course,
towards
yes.
you?
Of course,
Is it
yes.
more positive, or is
Of
it
course.
more like, ignoring?
No, not
you?
ignoring.
That
Rather, I would
avoiding
say-
you. कि ये इसका तो अजीब behavior हो
Not
गया.
at all, not at all. Rather, they've started loving me even more. Trust me on this. Because, it is all about the intent that you have when you behave with somebody. It's all about intention. Every female, if a person is talking, if a male is talking to her, she can instantly understand what kind of intent that person is carrying.
Absolutely.
Right? You understand
Absolutely.
this? So, every human has that thing that, they can understand the intent of the person. Slowly things change. Their perception changes. They accept you the way you are. In my family it has happened. Initially it was difficult for them to accept कि यार ये इतना गुस्सा करने वाली अचानक से सती सावित्री ऐसे कैसे बन
exactly,
गई.
yeah.
So this happens. But after a certain point of time, they understood, no, that she's changed. This has been adapted in her behavior.
Because
And
I
then
have
they
not
started
seen
accepting.
you throw something from such a long time. You have always been like, hey, tu chup rahe.
Exactly that. Exactly that. Now you got the point. So I told you, he knows me from 2015. He knows the kind of transformation I've gone through. And today what I am. So yeah.
In Gen Z terms, in our we call it vibes.
So you don't keep saying Gen Z. We are not your dada pardada's age. We are also
I'm
almost
so
Gen.
sorry.
I am also
You
almost
are
Gen Z.
offended.
Not offended. I'm just,
You're Gen Z by soul. I'm Gen Z by mind, body, and
Yeah.
soul.
by looks only. So now, when you say this event is going to happen in Chikmagaluru, which is a very away from the hustling bustling of the city, no noise, nothing. What else there? What else will be there?
So the place, when we selected this place for this particular retreat, the reason behind selecting this place was this place is very raw, absolutely in nature. There are a lot of greenery. There's mountains, natural water, flowing water. Beautiful sight. So when you go there, you feel like you are one in the nature, and that place is just raw, very beautiful, from top to bottom. It is like amazing. Wow,
मतलब
kind
जैसे
of
रहना है
place.
वैसे रहो. कुछ पहनना है पहनो, घूमना है घूमो,
घूमो, जो करना है करो. कोई आपको कुछ देखने वाला
It's
नहीं,
only
बोलने वाला
absolutely
नहीं.
only you there.
Absolutely.
Wow.
It's going to be just you. And those 4 days you will remember forever. I can't forget those 4 days what I spent.
Okay.
Till date I can't forget those those moments. So I'm sure that participants will carry a lot of memories from here.
You said personal growth, right? Now there's so many aspects. Now my brain is thinking that since I'm newly married, there is a whole professional aspect. I have new relationships. I suddenly have in-laws. I have from just the pet names that they call me at home, I suddenly became someone's bhabhi. and I'm just like, what is happening, right? There's so many things to do. I'm literally managing a whole new arranged marriage, in-laws, everything. So how does it help me if I come to your workshop?
It's about thought process. It's about change in the thinking, perception change, shift in the way you think and perceive. So
Will I be able to manage all of it together?
Of course, yes, everybody does. We have done it. You can do it too. So instantly when I got married 20 years back in fact, it was not easy for me to adapt in a family. I was very young and it was not easy for me to be part of that family. It takes time for everybody. So it'll take time for you also to get acclimatized to that family. But yes, if your intent is clean and you know how to perceive things, how to process things, I'm sure you will be able to do it fantastically. So this retreat is going to help you do this. It'll
Just by changing my thought
perception.
process?
Yes. Now I'll just give you an example, okay, here. So generally at my home, we finish off the work by 6. 6 बजे खत्म हो जाता है, खाना वाना बन जाता है, बर्तन धो के everything kept, and we are free by 7. Max 7 o'clock. दिया बत्ती आरती सब करके we are free. Then we go to gym. It's our personal time. So generally I am habituated to be free by 7. Now one day what happened, we had all of a sudden guests, some 6 to 8 people for dinner at home. So I just winded up the whole kitchen, and then somebody coming, and I have to cook everything. And when there are guests, you need to cook so many things. So I was really frustrated. I just finished all the work and I have to redo everything. So that frustration was there. But somehow I managed to cook. I gave them the food. Food was very good and everybody appreciated that it was very good food and all of that. So I once again finished everything. It was around 11:30. So that night I called my mom and I was crying. I shouted. I said, "Mama, सब लोग आ गए थे 11 बजे में अभी खत्म हुआ है." I was like frustrated. I was crying. I was telling, बिना बोले आ जाते हैं and all of that. Then my mama told me one thing, कि बेटा तू शांत हो जा बेटा. Then she told me, खाना अच्छा बना था? हाँ अच्छा बना था. सबने तारीफ की? हाँ की. तो इसको खुश होके बोलना. दुखी होके क्यों बोल रही है? You know that instant shift in my mood. अरे हाँ यार अच्छा बना था. Good. Mama, it was fantastic evening. People appreciated the way I cooked. A shift in the thought process changed everything for me. It is like that. Life is like that. Everything is beautiful. It is only how you take it that matters. So that's why we say that, take positivity from around you.
Why do I need 4 days of it? I can just do it in one workshop with you, right?
So okay.
Like a day. I mean.
Okay, fine. Let me put it this way. That's why we say 5 elements of nature, 5 senses of human body, right? Every sense has a different way of perceiving things. When I talk about NLP, you know what is NLP? Neuro-linguistic programming. So any message that goes to your mind goes through your nervous system. So if I touch you, your nerves will send a message to the brain saying that somebody has touched me. So you program your nervous system in that way that only positive things go to your mind. That is neuro-linguistic. You set the language. You program the whole language where you take only positivity, right? Every sense need a different kind of treatment to take positivity inside.
Okay.
And that is why these 4 days. So the healing happens in a complete format. The venting out happens in a complete format. Every individual have a different way of venting out. Some might cry in the bathroom and vent out. Some might not cry at all. They'll just keep silent. They won't talk. That is a treatment. That is venting out for them, right? Some will go in front of the God, sit, shout at God like anything. You have done this to me, you have done this to me, and they went out. So every individual has a different way of venting out.
भगवान चिल्लाएगा तो
खत्म हो जाएगा, right? So हर इंसान का अलग होता है, way of taking things and all. So 5 days is required for healing of complete, body and its formation.
तू एक साथ ब्रेकफास्ट लंच और डिनर क्यों नहीं करती एक ही टाइम पे?
हम करते हैं ना एकाश.
क्यों नहीं करती तू?
एकाश
तो इसलिए ये इवेंट ऐसे डिजाइन किया हुआ है कि स्लोली gradually
fair.
she will take us.
No, but that was the exact thing I was asking. If it was just changing a mindset, you can do it in one day. But she's
not about
attaching
changing
so much.
Yeah. It's not about changing a mindset only in one day. It's about healing up and then changing your perception. So anything to make it a habit, it takes a little time. You need to process it. Your mind also needs to process. रोज जो आप कर रहे हो उससे कुछ हटके करोगे, कुछ different करोगे. As he told, So all of a sudden the nature is changed, the behavior is changed. People are not ready to accept it. So it can't happen overnight. It takes its time because your body needs that processing, right? आपके mind को process चाहिए. So that's why those 4 days.
Now, how do you think, how do you trust this process? Blindly?
Blindly.
How?
I've worked on it, man. 2 years, 3 months. I've worked on it day in and day out. Researched. There's a lot of things that we have put in. So when we have done it all by
Can
ourselves.
you give us some examples of, some changes in someone's behavior?
Any part.
Some growth, or maybe, not growth, maybe something else. A change in a behavior, a character, a nature.
There's many around. Thousands of counselings that I've done.
Okay.
There are so many divorces that has not happened because of these kind of interventions. It is not easy to change somebody's mind. Okay, now
Exactly.
this is, this I really need to tell you. So there was this couple, I don't want to say the name. They came to me for counseling. They're like fighting like cats and dogs, right? They came and one blaming the other. Each other. They were blaming each other. इसने ऐसे किया, उसने वैसे किया, and all of that. So for me to intervene in their argument was so difficult. Just to know what is happening. And one person is politically very strong. The guy is like a political leader and a kind of rowdy, gunda types. And this girl is like very, very gharelu type of girl who's very silent, cute looking girl. इन दोनों के झगड़े ही खत्म नहीं होते. This guy says something, she says something, both of them blaming each other and doing that. Intervening was so tough between them. But then when they vented out, when they shouted for hours together, 1-2 घंटे they blurted out everything that was there in their mind. बस वो नहीं हुआ बस मुंह से हो गया था, गाली गलोच भी हो गया था. So all that 2 hours 3 hours सब जो दिल में था निकाल दिया. I was patiently sitting and listening to both of them. उसके बाद में when they kept quiet is where I intervened. Sometimes you need pauses to understand the psychology of those two people, why they are fighting, what is going on between them. When they were fighting, I was just trying to process in my mind that what is actually the problem between them. Trust me, there was no problem. It was possessiveness for both of them. So the boy is very possessive over the girl is very possessive over the boy, and दोनों को वही प्रॉब्लम है बस. ये किससे बात करता है, वो किससे बात करती है, क्यों करता है, ये वो सब. So when जब मिरर दिखाते हैं, आईना दिखाते हैं, तो समझ में आता है कि प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ है ही नहीं. जो बात डिवोर्स तक पहुंचने वाली थी, इंस्टेंटली वो रुक गई कि यार ये तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. जब पता चला कि बीच में कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं, there was actually no problem between them, and then they understood, and the divorce did not happen. Today it is like so many years they are staying happily together. Sometimes it is only about understanding your partner, which generally we don't do.
So this event is all about picking up things from your true life incidences.
Exactly.
All ingredients from,
Absolutely. So there are so many
अलग-अलग
cases
लोगों के
that have
जिंदगी
come
में
to
जो
me.
हुआ है.
Exactly. So there are so many cases that have come to me where I've intervened, changed so many people's perception, and there is where I understood that I have this capacity of dealing with this kind of psychology and how to do it, how this happens, because in the process I have learned how things can change, how the mindset can change, how perception can change.
So what I understand is now through this whole discussion, so this event is all about, being happy, throwing away your emotions, your anger, your pain, your feeling, dancing under the sky, and venting out sessions and doing whatnot. And then coming back a more refined, more rejuvenated, more polished,
better version of yourself.
A better version of myself.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Better version of the real element in you will be coming out here.
Fantastic.
So that is what it is. There is something called a sound healing that we do in this. So people around are sitting. There's a sound healing that goes on. It's a beautiful thing, yeah.
कान में बजाओगे आके?
कान में नहीं बजाएंगे. वो इसीलिए अटेंड कर लेना.
कान, I said कान. I think you heard something else.
I heard कान only.
कान only.
Absolutely. कान नहीं. So it's a process. There will be sound healing. There's something called as conscious communication that we'll be doing in this workshop.
What is this? I haven't heard about
you were talking
conscious
about
communication.
Yeah, so you were talking about this, listening to others.
Exactly. क्यों सुनेगा कोई?
So what happens is, a lot of times, why do you listen to people like the जो बड़े लोग हैं?
Trump. Donald Trump.
So if we listen to a lot of people whom we consider as role model, right? If they tell us, we listen to them.
Yes,
why do we listen to
of
them?
course.
Because we feel that they have, through their experience, they are telling something good for us that benefits us. So that's why you're listening. You listen to the stories of people right? What they have gone through, how they have come out of those problems. That can probably be a solution for your problem too. You can find a lot of solutions in others, others' talks when you listen to them. So there's something called as conscious communication. In conscious communication, everybody sits together. They talk about their story, what they have gone through, how they have come out of their problem, and through them, there are a lot of solutions that everybody are taking up. Conscious communication is you're talking consciously out of your own experiences, and people are relating those kind of experience to their own experiences and understanding how these problems can be solved in a better way. So conscious communication is something where you become a role model for somebody else for some time. You're teaching them the lesson of life. So it's like that. When you listen, you learn.
So the participants are going to be just from, say, Karnataka, just from...
It's all over India. In
Okay.
fact, we have it's open for foreigners also. So this podcast will go to 12 countries.
Is there
Wow.
any age limit?
That's what I said, 25 to 60.
25 to 60. So I just got done with my birthday, 25th birthday. So I can be a participant.
Of course you can.
So you say the participants are from world over. So what you're saying now, when you talk about dancing under the sky, under the stars and all, so can we expect some awesome dancers with whom we can dance? The Bollywood,
Of course.
the Bollywood
Stars?
celebrities, yeah, the Bollywood celebrities.
I don't know.
Maybe the Hollywood celebrities.
Might be. If somebody wants to, definitely they can come. But here there is no celebrity or anything. Everybody are normal human beings. When they are a participant of this retreat, obviously there is no celebrity, there is no kind of tag that they are coming with. They are coming there as normal human beings.
So you can swiftly call a tailor who can dress me up.
I know who he is talking about.
As of now, the best dancer or maybe the best singer the world has, Taylor Swift. So we are expecting the who's who of the world.
Anybody can be a part of this retreat. There's no restriction to that. But there they don't come with a tag. They don't come with their background.
That is something really
Yeah.
nice.
Hats that they
Yes, exactly.
they're not
They will
wearing
come
their
here
hats.
like a normal human being, one who has. In fact, we talk about celebrities. Rather, the showbiz is so big that we see that कितना पैसा है, कितने अमीर है, कितने खुश है, but they have a lot of problems in their life.
sad lives.
Yeah, they do have. Every individual have their own way of their own lives,
don't have
their own
problems in my
problems.
life.
Good for you.
But then listening to you after all this, I think
You also have.
I should be one of the... Just to experience, maybe, as you said, it is not about only those who are suffering.
Exactly.
But those
It's
who
very
want
intriguing,
something...
like
yeah.
for growth, and I don't
It's
know,
for
when you
personal
talk about
growth.
venting out.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really understand the term. It's so deep in the way that you say it. I just feel like
So
it's a lot of
not that everybody does it. One who wants, they do it. One who doesn't want, they'll not do it. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. They have to go through that process. Process is important. So when they go through that process, naturally the outcome will be there.
And when is this happening?
This is happening on 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th of November.
Okay, and I'm also curious, who is going to teach us? Or who's going to guide us?
We have experts. We will have yoga experts who will be coming for meditation. We will have, we have this massage therapy also. So we have this Ayurvedic massages
Wow.
that'll be done.
There's
I love
massage,
massages.
there's dancing under the stars, there's food,
crazy nights,
there's
there's
karaoke.
There's sound healing.
Yeah, there's
there's
sound
a lot.
healing.
There's a
Oh.
lot that you can see there.
There are
This is like going into a resort and just like
living your raw
relaxing.
desires and
Living your raw
doing
desires.
what not.
Yes.
In
There's a lot of
midst of the
blindfolded
nature.
activities. There's a lot of things that you're going to experience.
Wow.
It's going to be amazing.
And at what
Sounds
cost?
like a lot. Yeah. At what cost though?
It comes with a very basic cost. Very basic cost. 99,999. 99,999.
Do we have any discounts for like people? I don't know any early bird
I can afford.
offer.
She cannot afford.
Her husband
So
will.
her husband would.
Yeah.
Then he would enroll for himself. Because if I'm going to tell him what all is going to be there, I'm fascinated by the raw desires and dancing under the sky. I think he will also be.
Hello, I'm just
going
married.
behind-
I'm the raw desire.
No, it's going to be fun. It's like amidst the nature, you being yourself, nobody judging you, nobody seeing you. You're doing everything that you wanted to ever in life. you cry, there's nobody to tell you that don't cry, या फिर you know क्यों रो रहा है, तू तो strong बंदा है, कोई कुछ बोलने वाला नहीं है. You're just being you there, that's it. तुम हंसोगे तुम्हारे लिए, तुम रोगे तुम्हारे लिए, तुम खुश रहोगे तुम्हारे लिए. It is all for you. It's your personal growth, your personal interest, your intent. Everything is cleaning up over there. So that is what matters.
Later, if we want to come back to this, right? Do we have access to, like, as participants, can you come back to a community? Is there something of that sort?
Yes, so we will be having a group made out of these participants. Every whatever earlier workshops that they have done, still the groups are existing. People are still there. They talk to each other. They are friends forever. You know, and when these strangers become friends, it's so easy because you have lived being you in front of them already. So it's so easy to communicate with them later.
It's actually very easy.
Easy to
now
communicate with them
I get
later.
the hang of it that, you know, you have
Strangers
lived
ke
like you
samne.
actually are, and now you can just be open with them.
Exactly
One
that.
thing I take it from the entire conversation is being a better you,
Yes.
being the absolute you.
Sounds
Fantastic.
like rebirth of yourself.
Rebirth of yourself.
No?
Wow.
Exactly.
It's a very nice phrase.
Yeah.
Before we wind up, something for our audience.
Early
you-
bird offers.
No early bird offers. I think
No
the
offers, not required.
double line, triple line itself is like, you know,
Is an offer.
early bird offer.
Is an
Sounds
offer.
And
nice.
it's like a bargain already for 4 days of, you know, the new you, the fun, the rejuvenation,
Exactly.
the plays.
This is
everything.
a bare minimum cost you're paying for a kind of retreat that we are talking about. It's in the best of the place that you can ever be, and it's with best of the people that can be there. So, you know, even the choice of people is there. So we are choosing the people. We have experts who are teaching you, who are treating you, you know, healing you. There are expert meditators who come there. There's awesome food, live food counters. You know, it's going to be a bliss. Beautiful, beautiful 4 days of your life. So it's a very, very less payment that we're asking for.
No, it's not about payment. Something which you want to tell to our audience, which will, you know, as I said, it's
Give
a waiting
them
list.
a piece of pastry out of that entire
Yeah,
cake.
the topping.
Let them.
Basically, if you have to join this workshop, it is for your own personal growth and your own transformation. That's what I would say. Be the best version of yourself. And if you really want to be the best version of yourself, join this workshop.
Is that a guarantee?
गारंटी किसकी देता है भाई? कौन देता है गारंटी आज की दुनिया में? It's about how
Guarantee
you
से मैं दे
take it,
सकता हूँ, तू
Krisha.
कभी नहीं सुधरेगी.
नहीं, it's about how you take things, Krisha. It's about how you conceive what has been giving it to you. So हम तो सब अच्छा ही देना चाहते हैं. Everybody wants to give good. सब अच्छा ही देना चाहते हैं. आप क्या लेते हो उस पर डिपेंड करता है. So गारंटी किसी चीज़ की नहीं होती है. It's only about the experience that you're going through over there and the kind of better person you're going to be after this retreat. It's about your personal growth, your professional growth, everything together, and finding the best version of yourself.
Yeah, and you're going to be the fairy with the magic wand, the magical coach.
I'll be there. There will be other coaches who will be with me who are expert in this field. We have Yogesh Chandak who's going to be there. We have Mukesh himself. He will be there. We have Pinky Chauhan. She will be there. So we have all these experienced coaches who will be there. Under them, the guiding will happen, and they are enough. The name is enough. These people are the best in the industry.
Yes, looking forward to the entire thing.
Yeah, of
And all the
course.
best to you guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So now when you want an entire package of, you know, of personal healing, of professional healing, of your growth, of stopping your suffering, of venting out your sessions, everything in a nutshell, do not forget to join this event. There is a wait list already going on, and trust me, once you join this event and come out of it as a new you will start loving yourself like just like a star. See you.